Hello guys, I want to share you how to make herbal medicine for cough. Here's the ingredients. This one is what we call leaves of mango, and this is ginger, some lime. Ito ay we call this this is lagundi, and here, and this is oregano, and this is sambong. After we gather all the ingredients, we're going to wash it before we going to boil. So we're going to boil water. First, the ginger. So it's boiling na, guys. Tag that here. Here's the leaves of mango. There. After 5 minutes, then the other ingredients. Then lagundi. After lagundi, yes. Okay. And the last, sambong. This is optional. Okay. After 5 minutes, it's done. So here we go, guys. Done. We put some sugar for taste. So
at the service line again for the Lady Bulldogs. At an easy pickup by Bongkai.
2 spoons. That's enough.
The Lady Eagles up by 60 to 13.
And some lime. Ayan, tapos na, guys. Habang mainit pa siya, pwede siyang